In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Mobile first and last frame. To get started, open the Genspark AI Mobile app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, go ahead and tap on AI Video. This is the section where you can create videos using prompts and image guidance, including first and last frame setups. After that, tap on the Model drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to choose a model that supports image input. This part is important because not every model is designed to work with images. And for this method, you need one that can use your uploaded frames as visual references. Once you've selected the correct model, tap the plus icon to upload your images. You'll first upload the image you want to use as the starting frame, and then upload the image you want to use as the ending frame. Make sure you place them in the correct order, because the app will use these images to understand how the video should begin and how it should finish. Next, type in your prompt. This is a key step. Even though the AI already knows the start and end points from your images, you still need to tell it what should happen in between. In other words, your prompt should describe the motion, transition, or action that connects the first frame to the last frame. The clearer your prompt is, the more natural and intentional your final result will look. When writing your prompt, try to describe the middle sequence in a simple but specific way. Focus on how the scene should evolve from the first image to the second, so the AI has better guidance while generating the motion. Once everything looks good, submit your project to start the video generation. After that, the app will begin creating your video based on the selected model, your two uploaded images, and the prompt you provided.